Hello, my name is Jack. I am 27 years old. I am from the United States. I work as a filmmaker and I love creating inspiring videos. My hobbies are traveling and playing basketball.
Gamar Joba. My name is Nino. I'm 25 years old. I'm from Georgia and I'm wearing a traditional Georgian outfit. I work as a singer and my favorite food is khachapuri.
Hola, my name is Lucia. I am 26 years old. I work as a textile artist. My hobbies are weaving and dancing. My favorite food is salteñas. How about you?
Sia! My name is Balázs. I am 27 years old and I am wearing a traditional Hungarian folk outfit. I love playing traditional music and visiting old cities. My favorite food is goulash.
Bula. My name is Sarah. I am 24 years old. I work as a resort host. My favorite food is kokoda. Have a happy day!
Përshëndetje. My name is Arben. I am from Albania. I wear a traditional folk outfit. My hobbies are hiking items and visiting old villages. My favorite food is burek.
Hello everyone. My name is Anjali Sharma. I am 23 years old. I am from India. I am a teacher. My hobby is photography. My favorite food is butter chicken. Nice to meet you.
My name is Kwame. I am 28 years old from Ghana. I work as a teacher. My favorite food is jollof rice. It is famous in Ghana. Thank you for listening. How about you?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha. I am 25 years Saudi Arabia. I am wearing a traditional abaya. My hobbies are reading, visiting the desert. My favorite food is kabsa.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hakim Darussalam and I am wearing traditional baju Melayu. My hobbies are reading. My favorite food is ambuyat. Thank you for listening. How about you?
Welcome everyone. My name is Ahmed Al Mansouri. I am 23 years old. I am from the UAE. I am a high school teacher. My hobby is nature photography. My favorite dish is lamb maj. Pleasure meeting you. Farewell.
Hi, my name is Magnus. I am from Denmark. I'm wearing a traditional folk outfit. My hobbies are cycling and drawing. My favorite food is smørrebrød. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Hola! My name is Diego Ayot and I am wearing a traditional charro outfit with a sombrero. My hobbies are singing in festivals.
Zdravej! My name is Elena. I am 25 years old, teaching traditional dances. And my hobbies are visiting the countryside. My favorite food is banitsa. How about you?
안녕하세요. My name is Jimin. I am 24 years old. I am from South Korea and I am wearing a traditional hanbok. I work as a music teacher and I enjoy teaching paella.
Hola, my name is Diego. 27. I'm wearing a traditional Huaso outfit. I enjoy horseback riding and playing guitar. My favorite food is pastel de choclo. How about you?
Hello, my name is Felix. I am 29 years old. I am from Austria. My favorite food is schnitzel. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.
Hola, my name is Lucas. I am 26 years old. I am from Brazil and I am wearing a colorful outfit. Thank you for listening. How about you?
Namaste. My name is Priya. My favorite food is biryani because it is fragrance. How about you?
My name is Budi. I am 28 years old. I am from Indonesia. I work as a teacher. I am wearing batik. My favorite food is nasi goreng. How about you?
Hola! My name is Sofia. I am 25 years old. I am from Portugal. My favorite food is bacalhau. Thank you for listening. How about you?
Kia ora. My name is Liam. I am from New Zealand and I'm wearing a traditional Maori-inspired outfit. My favorite food is hangi. How about you?
My name is Tabo. I am from South Africa. I'm wearing a traditional outfit. My favorite food is boboti. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.
Hola, my name is Camila. I am from Argentina. Thank you for listening. Have a lovely day.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rahim. I work as a drawing and textile cricket. My favorite food is biryani. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.
Bonjour, my name is Elise. I am from Belgium and I am in folklets. My hobbies are baking, walking in old towns and taking photos. Taking photo, how about you?
Kuzuzangpo. My name is Pema. I am 26 years old and my hobbies are hiking. My favorite food is emadachi. Have a peaceful day.
Hola, my name is Valentina. I am 25 years old as a market seller, handmade craft. Thank you for listening.
Tere! My name is Maria, Estonia. I am wearing a traditional designer. How about you?
Salam, I'm Hana, a 25-year-old coffee farmer from Ethiopia. I'm wearing a traditional sharing our coffee culture and injera with stew. It's so tasty. How about you?
Mabuhay! My name is Mariana Dress. I work as a nurse and I love helping people feel better. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day.
My name is Aina. I am 26 years old. I like skiing, reading, and forest walks. Thank you. Have a peaceful day.
Hello everyone! My name is Aki. I am 21 years old. I am from Japan. I am a teacher. My favorite is ramen. Nice to meet you. Thank you.